In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Gamma app for free in just a few simple steps. Gamma is a powerful tool for creating presentations, documents, and web pages quickly. And the best part is that you can start using it without any complicated setup. If you've been looking for an easy way to try Gamma and access the free Workspace, this guide will walk you through the exact process from start to finish. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get right into it. The first thing you want to do is go directly to the official Gamma website. Make sure you are using the official site so you can sign up safely and avoid any fake or unofficial pages. Once the homepage loads, look for the button that says Start for free or Sign up for free. Gamma usually makes this option easy to find, and it is the entry point for creating your free account. After you click that button, Gamma will take you to the account creation screen. From here, you can create your account instantly using a Google account, or you can enter your email address manually if you prefer. If you choose Google, the process is usually faster because it can connect your account in just a few clicks. If you choose email, just type in your address and follow the verification steps Gamma provides. Either way, the goal here is to finish the sign-up process and gain access to your free workspace. Once your account is created, Gamma will show you a brief onboarding survey. This survey usually contains about 3 questions, and it helps Gamma personalize your workspace based on what you plan to use the app for. Take a moment to answer each question carefully. It only takes a minute, but it helps unlock the dashboard experience and gets you set up properly inside the platform. When you finish the onboarding survey, Gamma will automatically take you to your free Workspace dashboard. This is where you can start exploring the app and creating your first project. From here, you can begin using Gamma's tools and see what the platform can do for presentations, content, and page creation. That's really all there is to it. So to quickly recap, go to the official Gamma website, click Start for free or Sign up for free, create your account with Google or email, and complete the short 3-question onboarding survey to enter your free Workspace dashboard. It's a very simple process, and now you know exactly how to get started. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy how-to videos. I post clear step-by-step guides to help you save time and learn software faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.